Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can open new drawing canvas in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word to bring up and open the Microsoft Word. Click on it. Click on the blank document. Now once you're on your blank sheet, in order to add a new drawing canvas, look at the ribbon at the top and here you will find all these tabs. Simply click on the Insert tab. Then here you'll find Shapes. Click on this drop down arrow and then here, the last option you will find New Drawing Canvas. Click on that. And that's it. You have just added a new drawing canvas. You also have here the shape fill if you want to put some color in it. You can simply choose from here. Shape outline. If you want to increase the weight of the outline. And that's it. That's how you can easily add or open a new drawing canvas in Microsoft Word. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.